free. It's only...
Uptown is the place where I lay my dome. On the streets in the Bronx with my family roll. Oh damn, I'm home. Peter got a 9mm. Playing haters feel with the flame from my heater. I never really like to play a fool like that, but I love to succeed and see foes fall flat. Splat like deja vu. And I got another clip that'll daze your crew. I sip crystal, don't pee, and we're pissed out. Just cause I'm pissy don't mean you should miss out. Keep in the 50s and 100s all arranged. Anything less than that, you keep the change. Not filthy rich, but bitch and barely broke. Blessing the flows to keep you hooked like dope. Friends call me dumps, sons call me tripe. Cause I'm quick to slide off, it's like a stick up in your life. And that's life, we should learn how to treat it. I guarantee Peter knows how to eat it and beat it. Needles in the bronze call me Lex. Cause I push Lex, and I rock Rolex. And I lounge on Lex, and I love sex. I wait tapes on the sets, I've been trying to flex like that. Nigga, God rest your soul, but when you're playing cause friends, you ain't time to phone home. New York niggas got crazy games, but Uptown niggas is all the same. Brooklyn niggas got crazy loot, that's because when it's beef, they ain't scared to shoot. Harlem niggas know how to play, Max 600 got crazy pay. Niggas out of Queens got shit on lock, strapped with a block, burn up your spot. But if it wasn't for the Bronx, this rap shit probably never would be going on. So tell me where you're from. Uptown, baby. Uptown, baby. We get style, baby. I'm for the crowd, baby. Now if it wasn't for the Bronx, this rap shit probably never would be going on. So tell me where you're from. Uptown, baby. Uptown, baby. We get style, baby. I'm for the crowd, baby. Yo, the RM80 is parked in the lot right next to the Mercedes. Get the hip hop for those folks that are shady. You're crazy if you walk around thinking shit is gravy. Stop me. Maybe I'm living life lawless. Making big investments on the A-class flowers and hoes colas. I'm comfortable like the cola. 2 quarters of my life, walking left straight and narrow. Big thoughts was I abide by, buffing high, got my mind's eye. Push up another arrow, getting high. Keep your eye on the sparrow, riches like the pharaoh. Bought a new 5 with snitches for the hoes. Trunk full of ammo, keeping my toes close to most niggas keep their own shadow. And I strap my foes like a saddle. I rock stones, other niggas rock gravel. Talk shit, whatever have you, I'm from Soundview. Bronx most wanted, fun, get confronted. Playing going deep in the one punch for guns. Like big guy, red eye, man, brunted. You step outside and get blooded. Have your whole block flooded with the contents of water. Storming guns out of the dust till dawn, and it's on, no doubt. Keep an eye on your bitch when I'm roaming about. I put an eye on your lip, nigga, watch your mouth. I'm from the Bronx, wipe your feet when you step in my house. Cause you're a small town nigga, about half an ounce now. New York niggas got crazy game, but out of town niggas it's all the same. Brooklyn niggas got crazy loot, that's because when it's beef, they ain't scared to shoot. Harlem niggas know how to play, Max 600 getting crazy pay. Niggas out of Queens got shit on lock, strapped with it, what, learn up the spot. But if it wasn't for the Bronx, this rap shit probably never would be going on. So tell me where you're from. Uptown, baby. Uptown, baby. We get style, baby. I'm for the crowd, baby. Now if it wasn't for the Bronx, this rap shit probably never would be going on. So tell me where you're from. Uptown, baby. Uptown, baby. We get style, baby. I'm for the crowd, baby. Beating guns like one.
My boots are four-wheel drive.
Tarks like what? Sound view like what? 74th like what? Running boss like what?